I finally got my hands on the new K18 High Techie Hair Mask. The theory is that the peptides and the proteins in this mask repair the sulfur bonds that we destroy during the daily torture we put our hair through. This hair mask is unique in a couple different ways because it repairs both the hair cuticle and the medulla, the inner core of the hair shaft. I've been really curious to see how this product's going to work on my gray, fragile, slightly frizzy hair. There's also a bit of a learning curve on how to apply the mask. It's a leave-in mask that you apply after shampooing. I was tempted to use it like a conditioner for fear it would weigh down my hair, but the directions say skip the conditioner, towel dry, and apply to damp hair. It's truly lightweight. I was surprised a dime size was all I needed for my short hair. I let it sit for 4 minutes per the directions. It smells a bit like pool chemicals, but the odor dissipates once I zhuzhed it through my hair. I styled my hair as usual with my ancient Revlon brush dryer on low heat, then popped on the curling attachment for some height and spritzed through my favorite Kenra texture spray. As you can see, my hair after my last shampoo and conditioner was a little dry and frizzy. After today's test run with K18, it's definitely smoother, less wild looking. There's nothing cheap about this mask. They recommend using it 4 to 5 washes, then every 3 to 4 washes. This definitely smoothed down my flyaways, but I'm not 100% convinced a traditional deep conditioning mask wouldn't have done the same. So the jury's still out, but I'll continue to use it as directed. So do you think the K18 hair mask is so revolutionary that it's going to be changing our hair care beauty routines, and it's not going to be one of those that I just forget about in a few months? I'm really curious to find out. So far, I'm really liking the results. And if you're really interested in trying it out, I have a 15 ml bottle that I'm going to be giving away. Just follow the instructions in the post and you could be the lucky winner.